Hello everyone, Namaste and Assalamu alaikum people. Hi, this is Mariya Khan, your master teacher of biology here at Vedantu. Guys, welcome to the session today. And today we are at the last session of the sprint series wherein we are going to discuss a very important chapter, that is our environment. If you're not aware, this chapter has a 5 marks weightage in your board examination. So guys, we can't afford to skip this chapter. It's very, very important. So without wasting any further time, chalo my you army, hit on the like button, subscribe to our channel. Do not forget to hit on the bell icon and post me a you in the chat box. Chalo, let's get started. So yeah, if I talk about this chapter, it primarily is divided into 3 parts. One, ecosystem and its components. Energy flow in an ecosystem, where we talk about flow of energy, flow of nutrients, the 10% law of energy transfer, and food chain, food web, everything, right? And finally, biomagnification, ozone depletion, and waste management. So chalo, let's get started. So bacha party, you have been attending all my sessions of sprint. If you haven't seen the previous sessions, go watch the premiered ones. And I'm pretty sure if you attend today's session, you will definitely get an upper hand as compared to your peers. If you really want to learn something important, stay with me right till the end and like, share, subscribe. Chalo, here we go. So this is my schedule. So today is probably the last session, and you can watch the previous sessions if you haven't watched. And this is the Shilpi Ma'am schedule for chemistry. This is for physics, then mathematics, English is the lengthier one, and finally the social sciences. Okay, so do attend this amazing sprint series entirely. Okay, so let us begin with section A. Now, what is the full form of CFC and UNEP? CFC is chlorofluorocarbon. UNEP, United Nations Environment Program. Okay, the Montreal Protocol. Chalo. Why should biodegradable and non-biodegradable waste be discarded into separate dustbins? So, usually if I say, let me use another color. If I talk about waste, okay, it's of two types: biodegradable, and the second one is non-biodegradable. So biodegradable waste can be sent for composting, okay. Non-biodegradable, okay, it can be recycled, right? So therefore it has to be discarded into separate bins so that the waste can be effectively managed. Okay, for effective waste management, the waste has to be segregated. Okay, okay. Then define an ecosystem. Biotic components, abiotic components, and their interactions collectively constitute the ecosystem. Give any 2 examples of ecosystem: aquatic and terrestrial ecosystem. Okay, list the biotic and abiotic components of an ecosystem. Biotic are the living ones, plants, animals, microbes. Abiotic components, air, water, soil, light. है ना? So you may write it down the way I have mentioned. Okay, chalo, आगे. A food chain, have a look at the answer. Okay, cool. Next, a food chain represents unidirectional flow of dash. So what is this one? X. So guys, we know that in an ecosystem, okay, the flow of energy is always unidirectional, whereas the flow of nutrients is always cyclic, right? So here when it talks about unidirectional, it has to be energy. Flow of energy is unidirectional. Okay? ठीक है. Now give two differences between food chain and food web. So food chain is always linear. Food web is an intricate web. है ना? In food chain, there will be a single prey for the predator. Right? But then here, there can be multiple preys available, for the predator, right? Forget about the direction of my arrows. भावनाओं को समझो यार. Okay? So, see, the same thing has been mentioned. Food chain is linear, food web is an intricate web. In a food chain, the organism at a higher trophic level feeds on a specific definite organism present at a lower trophic level. But here, the predator has access to multiple preys, multiple members present at the lower trophic levels, which are a part of multiple food chains, right? The next one, you have been selected to talk on ozone layer and its protection in the school assembly on Environment Day. Now, why should ozone layer be protected? So, ozone, that is O3, it's a protective layer. Why is it protective layer? It absorbs UV rays. Now, why UV rays are harmful? Now, UV rays, they cause cataract, skin diseases, affect plant growth, cause genetic changes, you may write n number of reasons. Okay, so that's like more than enough for 1 mark. Then list any 2 ways that you would stress in your talk to bring awareness amongst your fellow friends that would also help in the protection of ozone layer. Now, ozone primarily gets depleted because of CFC, chlorofluorocarbons. So, stopping the release of chlorofluorocarbon or maintaining the ban on CFC, okay, which has already been banned. That would be the proper statement rather than this. Second, another culprit is the nitrogen oxides, okay. So, nitrogen monoxide, that also is another factor. So, reducing the release of nitrogen oxides into the environment as far as possible, okay. And regulating rocket launches, you will be shocked to know that the depletion of ozone in today's world is caused more by rocket launches as compared to CFC, because CFC ka usage has been banned since so many years, right? 1987, since 1987 it's been banned. So regulation of rocket launches is very important. If your friends are not going to do anything about that, at least they will be educated with this information. Okay, sure. Then the next, have a look at this if I was hiding the question and the answer. Okay, cool, sure. So let's proceed further. Section B. Okay. Improvement in our lifestyle has resulted in greater amount of waste generation. Of course, we are humans, we generate waste. Suggest one change we can incorporate in our lifestyles in order to reduce non-biodegradable waste. So if we talk about non-biodegradable waste, it can be reduced by 3R mantra. Which is a 3R mantra? Reduce, reuse, and recycle. Now, give examples. Okay? सब जगह examples लिख देना. Very, very important. Very important. So this is how you will opt for this question. Okay? Though it is given like this huge paragraph over here, but trust me, guys, do not write this way. Okay? This is the best way by which you can write and present your answer in your answer sheet. Yeah. So the following organisms form a food chain: insect, hawk, grass, snake, frog. Okay, which of the following will have highest concentration of non-biodegradable? So the answer is apex consumer. Which is the apex consumer? Of course, hawk is the apex consumer. Name the phenomena. It's biomagnification. Okay, biomagnification. Perfect. So yeah, that's the answer for you all. Have a look. Detailed answer. Okay, but trust me, I will never write it this way. Okay, opt by the way which I have mentioned previously. Now this is like a typical answer. Don't be a typical one. ठीक है? चलो.
एग्जाम से पहले घर वाले शुरू हो जाते हैं.
बादाम दूध पी लो बेटा. मार्क्स के लिए ना टिप्स हर कोई देता है.
इसलिए वेदांतु इम्प्रूवमेंट प्रॉमिस.
अब वेदांतु मार्क्स बढ़ाने की जिम्मेदारी लेगा, वरना आपकी पूरी फीस वापस.
We do not clean ponds or lakes, but aquarium needs to be cleaned. So if we talk about ecosystems, okay, they can be natural or they can be artificial. So ponds are an example of natural ecosystem, whereas aquarium is an example of artificial ecosystem, right? So the ponds have all components present, which includes decomposers, which break down organic waste and keep it clean, keep the ecosystem clean. But aquarium lacks decomposers, okay, and thus we need to clean it periodically. But you know what, Mariya Ma'am is smart. So I love fishes. I have an aquarium set up at my home, and I have used biomedia. It includes the bacteria which breaks down the nitrogenous waste, okay, and hence the frequency of cleaning the aquarium has reduced a lot. So it's very hassle free and it's a one-time investment. So that biomedia works well for my small sized aquarium. Try it out if you have one. Okay, and chalo aage, next one. So the same thing has been given. The organic matter that has been produced has to be broken down, and in ponds it is broken down naturally by the action of bacteria and fungi. Aquariums lack them, and hence we need to keep cleaning them periodically. Okay? Section C, 4 marker. The seawater contains water beetles, tadpole, fish and weeds. So the food chain will be weeds, okay, then tadpole consumed by water, beetles followed by fishes. Okay, that's the food chain. Now which organism, sorry, write the food chain. तो ये तो हमने लिख दिया, ठीक है. Which organism are herbivores and carnivores? So tadpole is the herbivore and this is carnivore. ठीक है. Then which organisms are predator and prey? So you have to write down the pair. Okay. So कहाँ पे लिखूँ मैं, I'll write over here. ठीक है. Prey, predator. So if I write tadpole, the predator will be water beetle. Okay, if I write water beetle, the predator would be fish, right? So you create a table this way and mention the answer. Okay, don't write it in this manner. Nah, that's very next, which organism can trap solar energy? So that can be of course done by producer. So the answer has to be weeds, right? Then, which organism is a secondary consumer? So tadpole is primary consumer, water beetle secondary consumer, and then we have tertiary or the apex consumer, right? है ना? Yeah. So if you're finding this session to be useful, like, share, subscribe, post me your guys, and here we go to the next one. A forest ecosystem has a lot of green plants, some foxes, lions, and rabbits. So green plants consumed by rabbits, consumed by foxes, consumed by lions. Okay, that's the food chain. So we have done this. Herbivore to carnivore. Herbivore, carnivore, carnivore. Name the link which is predator as well as prey. So this is the link. It is a predator as well as the prey. है ना? It feeds on the rabbit, so it's a predator. It is consumed by lion and hence it is a prey. Now name the second trophic level and the third trophic level. So plants at the first trophic level, rabbits on the second trophic level, foxes on the third trophic level, lion on the fourth trophic level. Okay. Which link of the food chain can feed on the second trophic level as well as third trophic level? Now, the answer is very simple. Lion can of course feed on fox, but lion can also feed on the rabbit. Am I correct? है ना? Lion को क्या पेट भरने से मतलब है? So yeah. So the answer has to be lion. Okay. Then if the sun provides 1000 joules of energy to the plants, so here it is 1000. Okay. How much energy will be transferred to the fox through the food chain? To the fox, okay, fine. So 1000, 100, 10, 1. So if we talk about the fox, it has to be 10 joules. 10. Okay. So the answer has to be 10 joules. Okay, with the fox. And 1 joule with the lion. And 100 joules with the rabbits. Right? So yeah, that's it. And I hope you found this to be useful. And guys, you are almost like waiting for your board exams to commence. Yes or no? But then still we have 1 month, and in this one entire month we can do a quick revision of our entire term too, right? And what if I say that Vedantu is offering that to you at absolutely free of cost? You will say, what? Are you kidding, ma'am? No, I am serious. Because we care for you, and we also recommend that you start with your grade 11-12 ka preparation ASAP. So you enroll with us for NEET or JEE batches, and you get class 10 revision batch, for 1 month, absolutely free of cost. Muft. Okay. So yeah, you get live classes, study material assignments, personalized report cards, in-class doubt solving, interactive replays, all this with ProLite at 60,000. But with my coupon code, what's my coupon code? बच्चों, my coupon code is MACPRO, है ना? ये लिखने तो दो, मुझे ना ये दिखता ही नहीं है येलो कलर, अंधी हो गई हूँ मैं. Yeah, it's MACPRO. Okay, so with my coupon code you get whooping 4,000 ka discount, and the course is offered to you at rupee 54,000. Okay, 53,999 only. That's it. Now, if you want a doubt solving app on your mobile phone or for Classic, usually it's for 75,000, but with my coupon code it is for 67,499. What's my coupon code? भूलना नहीं है, MACPRO. And then if you want a personal mentor or for Pro Plus, it's for 1,20,000. but with my coupon code. And guys, the price is for 2 years, 2 years. So in 2024 you will appear for your NEET or JEE. So till then Vedantu will take care of yours. Okay? So the course is offered to you at 1,19,000. Okay, but with my coupon code it is for 1,07,999 only. Again, what's my coupon code? MAC Pro. इसको चिपका डाला तो लाइव झिंगा लाला क्योंकि it's going to give you discount. So enroll with us now. The link has been given in the description box. Also has been posted in the comment section. And that's it for the day. So let's come here and discuss the homework question. Mention the advantages of cloth bags over plastic bags which can be used during shopping. Okay, waiting for your answers in the comment section. And that's it for the day, guys. Like, share, subscribe, post me or you. I hope you enjoyed this entire sprint series. Do watch my previous sessions as well. Okay, all 3 of them. And that's it for the day. Let's meet in the next session. Till then, Allah Hafiz, Lawapis, and keep watching Vedantu. Chalo, bye bye guys. Love you all. All the best for your exams. Chalo, bye bye.
बच्चों के मार्क्स जितने कम आते हैं पापा का वॉल्यूम उतना ही बढ़ जाता है।
ये होती है पढ़ाई।
पर कभी सोचा है कि मार्क्स बढ़ाने की जिम्मेदारी सिर्फ बच्चों की ही क्यों?
अब वेदांतु मार्क्स बढ़ाने की जिम्मेदारी लेगा, वरना आपकी पूरी फीस वापस।